Hi everybody, it's Sunday and we're hanging out at the house right now, and I just blew up Dakota's little baby pool that she's going to use for her little birthday party that she's having on June 12th. She'll be 1. So here she is playing in it. Say hi, Dakota. Say hi. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. So she's just playing in this. We still have, I blew it up all by my mouth. So her grandpa's going to come over and bring one of those air thingies and blow it up more. And yeah, so that was only like 10 bucks at Target. It'll be great for her and her little baby friends. It says to only, fill it up to like, not the first ring, but the second ring right there, which is about how much we fill up the bathtub too when she's in it. So it'll be fine. She'll get to play around in that and splash around. She loves splashing around and being in a little bit of water. So we're just hanging out, watching some TV. Ryan's asleep, snoring, like always. Doing some laundry, of course, like always. I feel like every time we do a video, like there's always laundry everywhere. So we're doing that. She's just playing in this little pool, which is awesome. And yeah, I went to breakfast this morning with Ryan's dad and his stepmom, and that was really nice. And we got to hang out with Becca and Eric, my sister and her husband. You okay? You okay? Yeah? Hmm? So yeah, that's about all that we've done today, and that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna go to David and Marie's in a little bit, upload some more videos, and just hang out there for a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much our weekend. We went to Yorktown yesterday, as you guys saw. That was really fun. But it was an awesome Memorial weekend. Definitely awesome. So we had a good time. So yeah, I guess we'll talk to you guys later. Say bye-bye. Coda. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. So we'll see you later.